Hi there guys, so today I've got an unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 10 in the jet black aluminium colour, and it's with the Ink Sports Loop. I know this one came out in September 2024 and it's now June 2025, so we're near the end of the cycle with this one, but they've got some really good offers on at the minute, which is £100 off. With other things like trade-in and any other vouchers or discounts you can find, you can end up getting a really good deal with this one. So if anyone is looking for a new Apple Watch, I would advise having a look at the minute for some really good deals. Just to preface, my current Apple Watch is the SE first generation from 2020, I believe. I have had this one for 5 years, so I think I'm just overdue a little bit of an upgrade. Obviously this one is 44mm and I'm going to go to the 46mm, so a little bit of a bigger screen and a few new health features and other features that I'm not used to, such as always on display. I think the battery life's about the same. It's a new thinner design. You can play music out of the watch now. Just a few updated health bits as well. I'm not sure, but we'll get into it and have a look. So I just picked this one up from Currys, but I think other retailers in the UK are doing this offer as well, such as Argos. So yeah, just have a little look around and see what you can get at a good price. Yeah, just says Apple Watch on it. It's a very plain box. We will just have a look and open it. It's got a nice pattern on it. So the top one, I mean, the boxes are really slim, so I'm guessing the watch itself must be really slim. So yeah, I got the one with the Sports Link. What is it? It's the Sport Loop hook and loop closure, and that's just in like an inky blue colour, dark midnighty blue sort of thing. And then the actual watch itself, I got in the jet black aluminium. Looks really nice. I hope it's not like the iPhone 7 jet black where it just scratched so easily, but it does look really nice. I've not actually seen this one in person, so I don't think I've ever really been into an Apple store to look. I just thought it's time for an upgrade, so yeah, let's have a see. Let's have a look. So that's the actual watch itself. As you can see, it does look bigger than my last one. Well, it is, but yeah. There we go, it's turning on already. So yeah, the actual thing itself is quite slim. Really nice and dark black, as the jet black name would suggest. So that's it. Pop that to one side and see what else we get. So we get inside the watch charger, which is to a USB-C, so you have to buy the wall adapter separately. That doesn't come with it. And then just some pamphlets. I don't even know if you get Apple stickers anymore. Let's have a look. Maybe you do with this one, I'm not sure. No, I don't think you do. Just some pamphlets in there. So that's everything in the watch box. Let's have a look at the other one, the band. So this has just got a pull tab here. I find that so satisfying. So it's just a slide to attach band. Yeah, just the same as every other Apple Watch, essentially. Looks nice. My current watch band is just a really cheap one off Amazon. I think it was like £7, so it'll be nice to have the actual Apple one, see if it's any better quality. Probably will be. I fell out with the rubber ones. They kind of gave me a bit of a rash. So this is just an example on the wrist versus the 44mm. It doesn't actually look too much bigger, to be fair. It's probably around the same size. Just a little bit bigger screen. I think that's about it. So I'll just read out a few specs whilst I'm doing this, whatever, trying to find my country, which will be right at the bottom if it's United Kingdom. There. So yeah, I'll read out a few specs of the device. Let's have a look. Compared to my last one, I'll just show you. So this is the SE first generation. You can see how much more bulky that is. I don't know if that's you can see it that well, but there we go. So information about the watch, it comes in either 46 or 42 millimeters aluminium or titanium. It's got an LTPO3 OLED always on retina display, wide angle OLED up to 2000 nits of brightness. It's 40% brighter when viewed at an angle compared to previous Apple Watches. It's got an ECG app, high and low heart rate notifications and irregular rhythm notifications. It's got low cardio fitness notifications and blood oxygen monitoring. It's got sleep tracking, sleep apnea notifications. It's got a Vitals app, which features heart rate, respiratory rate, wrist temperature, blood oxygen, and sleep duration measuring. It's got temperature sensoring, cycle tracking with ovulation estimates, emergency SOS, international emergency calling, fall detection, crash detection, 50 millimeters water resistant, swim proof. It's got a depth gauge of up to 6 meters, and its water temperature sensor is on board of this device. This one's a GPS only, I forgot to mention, but you can get one with cellular. It's got an S10 SIP chip. It's got a double tap gesture control, fast on-device Siri, precision find in the iPhone. The battery life is the same as my last Apple Watch, which is a bit of a shame. So it's up to 18 hours. However, on low power mode, this can go up to 36 hours and it can fast charge 0 to 80% in about half an hour. So yeah, that's more or less the crux of it. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments box down below. Subscribe if you liked the quick video. And yeah, thank you for watching.